Good morning. Welcome to my classroom. My name is Katie Watson, and this is our presentation. We got our ideas from the Smart Technologies Incorporated off of the Teachers Hub website. And so what we're going to do today is talk about coin values and adding coin values and how much money we actually have and just different little activities like that. So let's get started. I have two students here with me today, Christina and Melissa, and they are going to help me with these coin values. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to go through and describe what each coin value is, and then we'll do a couple of fun little activities with the coins. So this first coin here that we have is what?
A penny.
A penny, okay. How much is a penny worth?
1 cent.
1 cent. Okay, so we're going to write that up here. We'll just write 1 cent. Okay, then the next one we have is
A nickel.
a nickel. Okay, good. And how much is the nickel worth?
5 cents.
5 cents. Okay. Okay, and the next one. That's a dime one. A dime. Good job. And how much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
10 cents. Okay. And we need to remember these because when we do our activities, we're not going to be able to come back. So you need to store these in your brain. Okay, and the next one we have?
A quarter.
A quarter. Good job. And how much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
25 cents. Okay. And you remember these because we have gone over them this week in class, haven't we?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, and the last one here?
A
Ooh,
dollar.
It's a tough one. I know. $1. And how much is a dollar worth?
$1.
$1. Okay, good job. Okay, so since we've defined all of those, let's remember a penny is worth 1, a nickel is worth 5, the dime is worth 10, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. And then we have our dollar bill, which is just $1. Okay, so let's get started. And what we're doing is what we call snack machine math, and like I said, it is off of the Teachers Hub website. Okay, Melissa, which two snack foods total $1.25? You're going to have to come up here and do your math up here, and then we'll see which one adds up to $1.25.
Let's see.
Uh-oh. Okay, try again. Good job. Good job. Okay, so the peanuts and the gum equals 25 cents. The peanuts is 50 cents, which is 2 quarters. And the gum is 75 cents, which is 3 quarters, because we remember a quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay? Next slide, Christina. Does Chris have enough money to purchase a bag of chips? First of all, we need to figure out how much money is up here and then look to see how much the chips are. So for this first coin, that is a
Nickel.
okay, and a quarter. I'm sorry. What's the next one?
I think it's a quarter.
Okay, and then what are these two?
Dimes.
Okay, so we remember that the nickel is how much?
5 cents.
The quarter is
25 cents.
the 2 dimes.
Or 10 cents a piece.
Okay, so how much do we have up here? Okay,
We have 25 cents.
then we have 5 cents. 2 dimes.
10, 23, 4, and 5. That's 50 cents.
Okay. And how much are the chips?
Chips are 85 cents.
Okay, so what could Chris buy with 50 cents?
He could only buy the peanuts.
Good job. All right, good job. Okay, so our next slide. Melissa, does Alina have enough money to buy some sours? Once again, first of all, we need to figure out how much money she has and then look to see how much the sours cost. So we have 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Can you count that up in your head, or do you need to come at it on the smartboard?
We need to add it on the smartboard.
Okay, can you come at it?
So she has $1, and
Okay.
yes, she does have enough money to buy sours.
Okay. All right, good job. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide. Okay, so let's do some practice problems now. This is just going to incorporate all that we've learned, but as you can see for number 3, I've thrown in a curveball with a $5 bill. So we're going to save that one for the last problem that we do. But if Christina, if you want to come up and do number 1, you try and remember how much each coin value is and then add them together. So what's the first one? We have a...
That's 1 cent.
Okay. Okay.
And then the dime, or that's a nickel, excuse me, that's worth 5 cents.
Okay.
So 1 plus 5 is 6.
Good job. Okay, Melissa, for the second problem, you want to come up and add those 2 together for us? Do you remember how much the quarter is worth?
25 cents.
Okay.
And this is $1. So that makes $1.25.
Good job.
So I got very well. Oops.
That's okay. That's all right. Good job. Okay, we're going to wait on number 3. And Christina, if you want to come to number 4.
Sure.
We have 2 dimes and a nickel.
Sorry.
That's okay.
We have a dime and that's 10 cents. Another dime, that's 10 cents. And a nickel, which is 5, I believe.
Yes.
We have 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25.
Good job. Okay, so I threw in a curveball with number 3. We haven't really talked about $5 bills yet in class. This was just kind of a bonus question for you. But it's real easy. Just like the dollar bill is worth $1, we have the $5 bill, which is worth $5. So we have 5 $1 bills equals $5. So if we are going to add a $5 bill plus a $1 bill, what would we get?
$6.
Good job! And this is how we figured it out. You have 5 $1 bills, so let's just say we have all of these are $1 bills. And then we have the real $1 bill. So you just add the boxes up, and that's how much money you have. You have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, plus $1 equals $6. So good job. And this was our presentation on coin values. And thank you, girls, for being in my class today. And we had fun.